Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created a t-shirt for myself. This is me just cutting out a design that I found online that I thought was so cool and would look great on a t-shirt. I'm just trimming off the edges so that way it blends into the shirt nicely. And yeah, I'm going to walk you guys straight through it. So I have to get it onto the t-shirt and get it all centered up, and this is me doing that right here. And yeah, it actually looks really great. So now I'm just going to go ahead and heat press the design onto the shirt. So once I get it all centered up, and I'm going to run it through the heat press for about 30 to 50 seconds. This is me just pinning a piece of cloth down so that way I don't damage the design, a piece of Teflon, so that way the design won't damage. And I'm going to go ahead and press this on. Afterwards, I am going to be screen printing some words in red onto the shirt. I just thought it would look so dope if I matched some words up with her lipstick, just to tie the shirt all in and make it look like a piece of great streetwear to pair it with your favorite pair of sneakers and your jeans or whatever. So that's my screen. I use Speedball brand, and it says classy with a savage side, and I thought that went perfectly with this picture. And I'm going to finish it off in red ink, and this is the finished product. Thank you guys for tapping in. Remember to come back, like, subscribe, and follow, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.